Welcome to boAt newly launched Wave Call Smartwatch review. It's available in deep blue mode. It has got square 1.69 inches HD touch display with 2.5D curve. The size of this product is 26 × 5 × 1 centimeters and weighs 45 grams. It has other features like Bluetooth calling, 150 plus watch faces, lightweight ultra slim design. The IP68 water resistance makes it splash and sweat proof, thus makes it best suitable for outdoors and gym. You can also monitor blood oxygen levels, heart rate, breathing and also has multiple sport modes. Built-in microphone in this watch supports Google Health and Apple Health and it can save up to 10 phone contacts. To buy this product, check link given in the comment and description.